Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and backing up any config files. This prevents data loss. Once ready, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps and find the program. Make sure the app is closed. If it resists, open Task Manager and end its processes. This prevents locked files during removal and lets the uninstaller run cleanly, so you avoid partial uninstall residues that cause later errors. Once done, click Uninstall from Settings or run the program's own uninstaller, and make sure to right-click and run as administrator when prompted. Follow prompts, choosing full removal or custom options to delete user data and registry entries if offered. After the process completes, reboot Windows to release any file locks. Then inspect Program Files, x86, and %appdata, for leftover folders. You finish by running a reputable third-party uninstaller to scan for leftover registry keys, services, and scheduled tasks. This ensures a complete cleanup. If the uninstall fails, boot into safe mode and repeat the uninstall and manual deletions. Safe mode prevents stubborn services from loading. Make sure to run System File Checker and DISM if you suspect system corruption. If anything goes wrong, restore the backed up files or use a system restore point, and then retry the clean uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.